Hi, welcome to this tutorial once again. Welcome back. And in this session, we'll discuss about building the model. So thanks to Scikit-learn, building a machine learning model is extremely simple. We are going to build three machine learning models to predict the class of wine. One using logistic regression, another one using support vector machine, another one using decision tree classifier. So without getting you bored, I have got the code available from sklearn dot linear model import logistic regression. So we import it, logistic regression. From sklearn.svm import svc. From sklearn.tree import decision tree classifier. So that's how we import. Next, what we do is we instantiate the models, logistic regression, svc, and decision tree classifier, the imported models. So if you can look at it again, I'll explain. This code imports three different machine learning models from Scikit-learn library, namely logistic regression, SVC, and decision tree classifier. Then the code instantiates each of these models as objects, logistic underscore regression, SVM, and tree. So you can see it is assigned here, logistic underscore regression, SVM, and tree. Next, the code trains each of these models to a training dataset, which is represented by x underscore train underscore scaled and y train. Finally, the code uses each of these trained models to make predictions on a test dataset, which is represented by x test scaled. So after training, logistic regression dot fit, svm dot fit, it, and for the values passed are x train scaled and y train. And finally, this code uses each of these trained models. These trained models are used SVN predict, logistic regression predict, logistic regression this one available here, predict SVM that we fit, predict tree predict, and we assign it to these variables. So you can print it out the values. So this is about model building. So we'll discuss model evaluation also here because we need to see whether this is correct or not. So model evaluation is done to test how well the model generalizes to unseen instances. Scikit-learn provides an array of classification and regression metrics to evaluate a trained model's performance. For this use case, we'll use classification underscore report from the metrics module to build a text report showing the main classification metrics such as precision, recall, F1 score, and accuracy. Right. So these are the. So in this course, we'll look into accuracy. Accuracy is number of correct instances predicted, and other aspects we'll cover step by step later in our other courses. So in this getting started guide, we'll keep it simple. In our course, we wanted to show you about NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, installing the environment, getting started, and following the machine learning lifecycle with Scikit-learn, just to get you the feeling of or the kickstart related to Python, machine learning, and data science. So this is just the kickstart. This is not a comprehensive course. So when you get the feel about Python machine learning, and when you get these results, and with lot of hands-on experience throughout the course, we provided hands-on experience, so you will be able to get the output and run the full cycle, train the model, data pre-process, then train the model, build the model, evaluate. So once you have that life cycle, then you can follow the comprehensive approach. Like you can look at all these topics in deep in order to get the in-depth knowledge. So here we'll get the feel of machine learning in this Kickstarter. Remember, this is only a Kickstarter program which helps you to start the Python machine learning career. Right. So this is how the code looks from Scikit-learn metrics. Let's import this one. Evaluation. And the model. Right, so it's this we'll be creating a dictionary. So model predictions in a dictionary. This makes it easier to iterate through the each model and prints the results. So this prints the results. It makes it easy to print the results. So let's have this. And next, so this is a dictionary. I hope you have the Python knowledge, basic Python knowledge. It's a prerequisite for this course. So we created a basic Python dictionary, and we'll have this one for model read in model. So I'll explain this code. So this code snippet is evaluating the performance of three machine learning models on the dataset using classification underscore report function from sklearn.metrics module. First, the predictions of each model are stored in a dictionary called model pairs. So this is the dictionary called model pairs. It has key value pairs. This is the key. This is the value. Then a for loop is used to iterate through each model in model pairs and print the classification report for each that model using classification report function. The classification underscore report function takes two arguments: the true labels y-test and the predicted labels spreads, the predicted ones and the actual ones. The classification report provides a summary of the precision recall and F1 score for each class in the dataset as well as the overall accuracy and weighted averages. The set parameter in print function is not necessary in this case as it is a default separator between arguments. Right. So let's try to run this. So this is the output. Here you can see the accuracy, logistic regression, support vector machine, decision tree. So if you analyze the results carefully, you can see at the first glance, it seems as though the support vector machine is the best model. In a typical workflow, this would spark curiosity into model. Is it really as good as it's showing? Or have we made a mistake? So now you are curious. So, however, you have managed to get the full life cycle of machine learning and get the evaluation as well. So you can carefully analyze the data of each algorithm. So you can see Scikit-learn library consists of several modules that make implementing machine learning models easy. So as you noticed, we demonstrated pre-processing, model building, evaluation, everything. Right. So in this one, we just did the kickstart and made you curious to learn data mining, machine learning, and with Python. We have merely scratched the surface of scale capabilities and data mining and machine learning capabilities. So this is not the entire knowledge. So within this given time, short time, in this short course, And the aim of this short course, we introduced you to NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and getting started with Scikit-learn to kickstart your data science journey with Python machine learning libraries. Kickstart your machine learning and data science journey. So to dwell deeper into into this machine learning course, you can follow, you can improve your knowledge from this. And next, you can check out our other courses available, the professional certificate in data mining and machine learning, and other courses that we have listed. Hope you enjoyed this, and I recommend you to follow this tutorial again and again. You can pause where necessary and study it again and get this example up and running. So I hope you got some feel about data mining and machine learning and with these Python machine learning libraries. So we'll learn more in our future courses. Thank you very much and wish you all the best.